Hello guys, today we are going to show you how to check battery health on Android mobile phone. Always remember one thing, you can't check your Android mobile phone battery health percentage like people do on their iOS devices. But on Android phone mobile devices, you can only check your mobile phone battery health, mean it's good, normal or bad. So let's start the process. For checking the battery health, you need an additional app which you can download from the Google Play Store. Like I am downloading, open your Google Play Store. After it opens, simply type here the same app like I am writing CPU X. Download this app in your mobile phone. After the downloading, tap on the option open. Now as you see, you can check a lot of things of your mobile by using this app. But I am checking the battery health of my mobile phone app. Simply I am tapping on the option battery. As you see, the battery health is on the second last number and the battery health of my mobile phone is good. So by this way you can also check the mobile phone battery health and everything about your battery like battery capacity, technology, current meter, temperature, everything by using the same app.